Okay, look at that. This time Merlin's cleaning the car off. A little bit of snow here. Oh, I don't know, maybe 4. Not much. Oh yeah, but that's just what's on the back of the car. Coming down pretty good though. Like if it keeps up like this all night, we're gonna have a lot of snow by morning. Oh no, no. Okay, let's get this puppy cleaned off. Watch out, I gotta put a bunch of snow down that way.
A few moments later.
And even more importantly, don't drop my phone in the snow.
Oh my god, it's very thick.
Things we go through just to get some food.
Oops.
Well, don't want to throw it all over you. Break the windshield a bit. A little bit of an icy buildup. Too bad.
I don't think there's ice.
People ask why we might consider going to the Philippines someday.
That's it? Are you done? Oh, how about this one?
Okay. Just a little bit more. Okay, let's go. Bye.